YouTube, I am back with another video today, man. Today we are going to be reviewing another one-to-one shoe rep website, whatever you want to call it. Today we are going to be reviewing Pickpop. Definitely recommend him. Before this video starts, I'm going to pop it up on the screen. Make sure you use code Sushi at checkout. Right now, use code Sushi at checkout to get a percentage off of your order. You guys definitely got to go cop some shoes from here. Let's get right into the video. Alright, so first off, we're going to be reviewing their main page. Got some pictures and some reviews. Bunch of people bought good reps. One-to-one. Here's some videos. Make sure to go check out these videos too. Definitely got to go check out these videos. They go a lot more into depth with the shoes. This is where we're going to be, what we're going to be doing soon with these shoes. Hopefully from here too, we're going to be doing some shoe reviews, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But here are some new arrivals that they got. They got the Mocha Highs, they got the reverse Mochas, the Travises. They got a bunch of these. They got the Jordan 4s, they got the Travis Lows, they got the Grinches, they got the Jordan 4 Kaws, they got the Jordan 4 Oreos, they got the Fragments. They got a bunch of different stuff. They got the Travis SB Dunks, they got the Off-Whites, Off-White 4s, the Ben & Jerry's, the University Blues. They got a bunch of new arrivals, so as you can see as well, they're very well priced, and if you use code Sushi, you get 15% off your order as well. So make sure you go f with them, bro. Alright, so first let's review some Jordans. We're going to start off with the Jordan 1s. Here are the Jordan 1s they have. Here's some Jordan 1 lows. So let's go one page of here. They got a bunch of different ones. I mean, if there's any shoe that you want and you don't want to spend full price, definitely got to go check Pickpop right now. They got $165 reps. You really can't find like that much better anywhere else. So you definitely got to go check them out. Let's go check out some of the Jordan 4s they have real quick. You got the pointy hair blacks, the gingers, the purple. They got a bunch of different things. The medium olive. Bunch of different shoes. You definitely gotta go mess with them, bro. Very good priced as well. They got the pine greens. These are one of my favorites. If you're looking for Jordan 4 pine greens and don't want to spend full price, go buy them right here. Use code Sushi at checkout. Alright, next we're gonna look up some of their Nikes. Let's start off with the Nike Dunks. They got a bunch of different dunks, as you can see. These are very good quality too, very good quality. They're one-to-one. There's really no reason to buy any more shoes full price when you have this website right here. So let's go. These are my favorites actually. The Nike Dunk Off-Whites, some of my favorites. Some of my favorites right here. They got every color you want. These are my personal favorite right here. The Nike Dunk Low, the black ones, these are my personal favorite right here. So I'm definitely, I might have a review coming on those very soon. So make sure you stay tuned. But these are some of my favorite shoes right here. I definitely am going to cop right here. $165, use code Sushi, get 50% off. Alright, next let's check out some of their Off-White shoes. As you can see, they have a bunch of different Off-White sneakers. Bunch of different colors. You definitely got to go check these out too. Very well priced, as you can see, very well priced. They got a bunch of different Off-White shoes. Definitely got to go cop some of these as well. But next we're going to look at some of their Balenciagas. As you can see, they got all of these different. These aren't my favorite, but I know some of you guys mess with these. So, I mean, $235 for a one-to-one. I mean, you can't really beat that. For the sake of keeping this video short, we're not going to check all of it out, but they do have some clothes, some accessories, some, like they got the sandals, the Gucci slides, all of that kind of stuff. But we are going to check out some of their clothing just for a second. As you can see, they got some Palm Angel clothing, they got some Louis Vuitton clothing. Very well priced actually too. As you can see, they got some essentials, $68 essential shorts, not bad. $76 essential shirts, very well priced, as you can see as well. They got some Supreme box logo hoodies, pretty well priced. Bunch of different clothes. You guys definitely got to go check these out. All right, last we're going to check out some of these reviews from people. As you can see, all of these reviews are good reviews. Haven't seen any bad reviews from this website. Here's some other reviews. I'm gonna just scroll through so you guys can read. Pause the video if you need to. Yeah, so as you can see, they have very good reviews too. Make sure you go check with them All of their information will be in the description below. This is their Instagram as well. Go follow their Instagram right now. I reached out to them. They responded very fast as well. So make sure you go check them out. Use code SUSHI at checkout for 15% off. I appreciate you guys. Yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on them notifications so you get notified with my next video. And other than that, it's been Sushi Dip. I'm out. Peace.